In this guide, I'll show you how to add cross-platform friends in Valorant on PS5 and Xbox Series S or X. So from the home menu, what you want to do is have a look in the top right corner, and beside where it says Friends Online, you'll see a button, and you want to press that button for your respective console to pull up this menu. Then what you want to do is use the triggers on your controller to navigate down to Friends List, or you have the option to go to the bottom to add a new friend. So what you want to do is press Y on an Xbox controller or triangle on a PlayStation controller. And here's where you can search for your friend by their right ID. So what you want to do is type in the right ID name and be sure to remember to actually include the number sign. If you don't include the number sign when you write in that last portion with the numerals, it won't actually work. So once you've done that, you can press start on your controller and then you want to select add friend here. Then a friend request will be sent and they just have to accept it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.